What's up, guys? Bang, bang. It is lunch money time. While Wall Street's trying to get rich, the rest of us trying to get our lunch money right. We're going right to the whole deal. BlockFi is now the sponsor of Lunch Money. Go get a BlockFi account. You can go to blockfi.com/pomp where you can earn up to 8.6% APY in an interest-bearing account. You can buy and sell cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Bitcoin at BlockFi, or you can deposit Bitcoin. You can take out a US dollar loan to get your Bitcoin collateral. Go to BlockFi. They're awesome. They're the best. I'm an investor. I sit on the board, and basically I think that you'll be awesome if you go and you get a BlockFi account. Go to blockfi.com/pomp. What's up, Polina?
Well, this morning, Anthony's been screaming, dancing, making weird noises all morning because Bitcoin hit an all-time high at $44,000, which, yeah, that's an all-time high.
I don't care about the price.
What do you care about? Oh,
the price doesn't matter to me. It's what drives the price that matters, right? The price going up, of course, is going to go up. It's a fixed supply asset. Demand's increasing. I always ask people, do you think in 10 years more people are going to want Bitcoin or less people? If you think more people are going to want Bitcoin, then Bitcoin's US dollar price will be higher. If you think less people are going to want Bitcoin, it'll be lower. That, my ladies and gentlemen, friends, is a economics 101 course in supply and demand. Unless you think that we have violated supply and demand frameworks, then the Bitcoin price has to go up over time as demand increases. That's how supply and demand works.
Which leads us to our next topic, which is also Bitcoin. Tesla bought $1.5 billion in Bitcoin and plans to accept it as payment.
I told you this was going to happen. Everyone was laughing.
So
Tesla's not going to do it. A Fortune 500 company's not going to do it. Elon Musk isn't going to do it. He doesn't like Bitcoin. Shut up. I told y'all that shit was going to happen.
Do not tell my friends to shut up.
No. The people here, they believe. They watch every day. I'm saying the bears, the losers, the pessimists of the world. They didn't believe. And I told you it was going to happen. Why? Because every corporation in the world is going to put Bitcoin on their balance sheet.
Do we think that Tesla doing this is now going to push all the other Fortune 500 companies over the edge?
I think that this drastically reduced the career risk for a CFO.
Why?
If Elon Musk and Tesla, one of the richest man in the world and one of the most valuable companies in the world,
but Elon's a little wacky, right? Are other CEOs going to be just as wacky? They're like,
Is Jack Dorsey wacky?
They're all wacky compared to the really what do you call them? Buttoned up
the nerds.
CEOs of the Fortune 500 companies. Are they going
name a CEO you think's not wacky?
Okay, like whoever the CEO of what is that called? Just give me a big company like
Ford?
Walmart.
Oh, Walmart. Yeah, they seem to be doing great against Amazon. Oh, Ford, they seem to be doing great against Tesla. Maybe they should get wacky CEOs then so that they can actually be innovative, embrace technology. Apple. Have you tried to use an Apple product lately?
Okay, your Apple product is right here, right there.
Yeah, I use them,
right
don't
here.
worry. But I'm just saying that Apple is now trying to build a car. They're going to go try to compete with Elon. Elon is 2 steps ahead. He's playing checkers while you idiots are playing chess.
So the lesson here is be wacky. But speaking of wacky,
Are you wacky?
Sometimes. Why was Elon talking about Dogecoin yesterday?
I personally believe that Elon is 1, hilarious. 2,
wacky.
Is that he was prepping everyone, right? He was kind of desensitizing people to him talking about crypto, him talking about all this stuff.
But why wouldn't he be talking about Bitcoin to desensitize them? Why would he be talking about Dogecoin?
Why would he talk about Bitcoin? It's in the price up before he bought it.
Oh. Does he own Dogecoin?
My guess is that he does not own any Dogecoin because the fact that he's tweeting about it, he knows it's impacting the price. If he was buying it and then selling it and stuff, that would be pretty bad.
But you know who's funny?
Who?
Snoop Doge. Okay.
You want to know my favorite Elon tweet?
What?
Who let the Doge out?
Anyway. Let's not talk about Doge. Let's talk about goats. I was almost calling him Tim Brady. Oh my God, Tim Cook. Tim Tom Brady just won his 7th Super Bowl with the Tampa, not Tampa, which I recently learned, Bay Buccaneers. not Buccaneers. They beat the Kansas City Chiefs 31-9 in Brady's 10th Super Bowl. I mean, if he's not a goat, I'm a sheep.
That didn't make any sense. Listen, he's very, 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 very good. I just don't think you can be the greatest of all time if you can't beat Eli Manning and Tom Brady met twice in the Super Bowl, and Tom Brady is 0-2.
Okay, why has Eli Manning not gone to 10 Super Bowls if he's so good?
Because he didn't need to. He's efficient. He goes to the Super Bowl, he wins. That's it. He's great. When you go to the Super Bowl, you win. Tom Brady.
Has he won 7 times?
Tom Brady has lost more Super Bowls than Eli Manning has won.
I can't
think about that for a second. That's how many Super Bowls Tom Brady has lost. Tom Brady has lost more Super Bowls than Eli Manning has won.
Only 3.
Okay, that's a lot.
He's won 7
30% of the time he goes to the Super Bowl and he loses. 100% of the time Eli Manning goes to the Super Bowl and he wins.
Yeah, because he only went. He was lucky to be there those 2 times. Anyway, all right. Next topic.
By the way, Tom Brady is amazing. Obviously, you have to respect the greatness.
I recently wrote about him in the profile. theprofile.substack.com/p/Tom Brady. Okay. Clubhouse is now blocked in China after a brief uncensored period. Clubhouse.
Sorry, the yawn. It happened.
Remember when you were like, stop?
Yeah, well, I'm trying to fight it, and then I just let that one take over my body. I was like, just take me wherever you want to go.
So, audio drop-in startup Clubhouse was rapidly gaining steam in China until the Chinese government decided to censor it. You lucky you live in America in terms of freedom of speech.
Communists suck.
All right, is that all you have to say?
It's just, look, I'm a fan of free speech. I'm a fan of democracy. I'm a fan of capitalism. I think essentially planned economy doesn't make a lot of sense, and I think that the lack of free speech means that they're scared of something. And if their citizens want to all talk to each other, let them talk.
What are they scared of?
The people. The people rising up and saying, this is garbage. We don't want to deal with this anymore. Hey, little kids sitting at home, listen, pay attention. This is a kid's show. This is important, very, very important. The Chinese way of doing things, we don't do that in America. That's not how it's supposed to work. You are a free person. You have personal freedoms. You have individual liberties.
You have constitutional rights.
In your life, you must stand up for the right thing when those things are infringed on. And so when you see things like this, you should step up and you should say, hey, this is not right. They should not do that. They should allow people to have free speech. If you don't know what free speech is because you're too little, ask your mom or your dad to explain it to you. And if they say, I don't know, tell them, yes, you do. Explain it to you.
Wow. Okay.
And then ask them for ice cream.
No, people. I'm sorry, parents.
Well,
okay.
Y'all better start teaching about free speech or we're going to do ice cream day soon.
It's Ask Lunch Money Time. #AskLM in the comments below. Your questions don't just have to be about Bitcoin and the blockchain. Your questions could be, about the profile or what I'm eating for lunch today. Okay. Peter Lopez. Hi, guys. Great show. Thank you for all you do. What are your thoughts if another country, are you listening?
Yeah, I'm listening.
Another country other than the USA jumps ahead with Bitcoin/cryptocurrency as part of their budget leading the market, or the world is waiting for the states to be the leader in Bitcoin since the world's principal reserve currency is in the US dollar? Thank you for your time to educate us.
What do you think?
I actually think that other countries will adopt it anyway, even if the US does not. So it's in the US's benefit to adopt it.
You are very smart. That is why you are my wife, because you are so intelligent.
What do you have to say?
I agree.
Oh.
Another country is going to adopt it before the United States. Obviously, the U.S., come on. The U.S. has the mentality that we don't need to be first. We just need to make sure that we last.
Thank you, Satoshi asks, do you think...
Satoshi.
Okay. Thank you, Satoshi asks, do you think institutions concentrate the ownership of Bitcoin? What does that mean for us little guys? How does that impact its network effect? Oh, good day to ask this on.
Listen, let me tell you guys something. What you need to do is you need to get your Bitcoin. You need to wrap your little hands around that Bitcoin. You need to hold that Bitcoin for dear life. Up, down, sideways, backwards, green men falling from the sky, whatever happens. Just wrap your hands around that Bitcoin and hold on to it for dear life. Don't sell it to one of the institutions. Don't sell it to your neighbor. Don't sell it to a corporation. It's your Bitcoin. There are many like it, but this one is yours.
Okay.
So hold that Bitcoin as tightly as you can.
Is that a Lion King reference?
No.
What was that?
Jarhead. There are many rifles like this, but this one is mine.
I thought it was a Lion King.
Well,
many kingdoms like it, but this one is
There's
yours,
only
Simba.
one king. There's only one kingdom, and Satoshi is king. Hold that.
Queen.
Hold that Bitcoin, and don't let anybody take it from you. Don't let anybody shake you out of it. Just hold the Bitcoin, and the Bitcoin will take you to the promised land because it is the hardest, soundest money the world has ever seen, and it is digitally provable, and it's auditable, and it is going to eat the world.
I have a question.
Yes.
What if in like 10 years, oh my God, what if in like 10 years it comes out that I am actually Satoshi? What would you do? Like, how would you react to that piece of information?
I think on one of the Lunch Money episodes, you said there was 30 million Bitcoins. So.
No, it's 21 million.
Yeah. Now
No.
No,
Maybe
no.
I was
In the
doing it
beginning.
to take you off the tracks.
Oh, you were trying to throw me off
Or
the
throw me-
scent?
Yeah.
Okay.
Right? But like, how would you react? Would
How
you be
does
like,
how does a blockchain work?
it chains blocks in every few minutes. And
How many minutes?
Transactions, 8, 9, 3, 10, I knew it. See, just trying to keep you on your toes. You think I don't know? And then when there's
What's the difference between a Bitcoin with a capital B and a lowercase b?
There is none.
False.
There's no. Wait, ask me another
Yes, no,
question.
there is.
What is it?
Capital B refers to the payment rail, and lowercase b refers to the asset.
Really?
Yes.
Okay, give me another one.
Where was Satoshi when he created Bitcoin?
Where?
Yeah.
On the internet.
Kind of. What? No, geographically.
Texas. Wait, really? North America? Japan. How do you know where he was?
Nobody knows.
I just said that.
No, you didn't. You
Okay,
said the internet.
give me a non-trick question.
A non-trick question?
The internet was the right answer.
How many Bitcoin are coming into the circulating supply on a daily basis right now?
Oh. So 20, like less than a Bitcoin. What?
900. You were so close. All right, what's next?
That's it.
That's it? All right, guys, that's it for Lunch Money. Bitcoin, hold it tight. This is not financial advice. Do your own research. But what I am telling you is the dollar is guaranteed to lose value. Bitcoin is guaranteed to go up as long as demand continues to increase. And therefore, you, me, her, and everybody else who understands Bitcoin, who realizes that Bitcoin is the soundest, hardest money in the world and is digitally protected by proof of work and the strongest computing network in the world, will likely be pretty good. And the best part to end the episode on is the world's richest man agrees.
Save your
See ya.
Satoshis. Bang, bang. Hope you guys enjoyed this episode of Lunch Money as much as we did.
And don't forget, Lunch Money is now sponsored by BlockFi, so go check them out. There's a link in the description that you can click on. I'm an investor, a user, and a huge fan. What?
You're a bigger fan of BlockFi than you are of me?
BlockFi is my second favorite thing in the world behind Polina. They've got 3 products. They can give you a US dollar loan. You can earn up to 8.6% interest on an interest-bearing account, or you can buy and sell cryptocurrencies on their crypto exchange. I personally use the interest-bearing account. There's not very many places where you'll find up to 8.6% interest on a deposit in an interest-bearing account. Go do your own research. There's risk associated, but 8.6% is pretty compelling. So click on the link in the description. Say thanks to the folks at BlockFi. Subscribe to our channel. Like the video. Annoy Polina in the comments. And we'll see you guys tomorrow.
And be kind to your friends.